see.
Oh, they are so happy.
Good happy, very quiet.
Yeah, just do not routine actually.
你会看到 ，Okay. Good morning to you. I'm going to start explaining you about goat and milk. So anything later you can ask me, huh? So this word in front of you, a common word we call them mountain goat. Okay, all these goats original are from America. Okay, my goat is meant to produce milk. Goat got many uses for hair, for skin, for meat, for milk. Okay, this is for milk purpose. That's why they are very big fat behind here. A lot of milk. Normal goats, you know. Okay, so they are special in milk. So one thing is, wherever you eat outside, you call them mutton, kambing soup. That belongs to sheep. Okay, sheep meat is called mutton. My goat meat is called shobon. C-H-E-B-O-N, shobon, not mutton. Mutton is sheep, yang. Singaporean got no chance to eat my goat. I don't slaughter my goat for you to eat. No. They are old, cannot be used. All my goat goes to Singapore hospital. Anyway, for them to do research operation, not for you to eat. They are very useful. That's why they are very close to a human. That's why this goat milk is very close to human breastfeeding milk. Okay? That's why goat milk and cow milk, please don't mix together. You mix them together and drink, you cannot accept, you have diarrhea. You want to drink 2 hours later, separately. Okay? Why? Because goat milk is alkaline. Cow milk is acidic. 羊奶是碱性，牛奶是酸性。Get a point? Alkaline and acidic. This is alkaline. Same like us. Okay? Cow acidic. Okay. Right? First, before a mother goat starts to produce milk, first they must give birth to a baby. Okay? After birth, we milk them once a day. I can milk her for at least 8 months of milk. After 8 months, no milk. Go back, get married, get baby, give birth, come back here. This is the beauty of a goat. Okay? So, there we are. For at least 7 to 10 years. That means one goat, I use her for 7 to 10 years. But the lifespan of a goat is 12 years. 10 years, we stop everything, no more baby, because the mother is old. So once they are old, the baby come out, no good. Because the mother is weak. That's why we stop them for 10 years. After that, we go on research. Okay, this is the life of a goat. So goat pregnant very fast. 5 months pregnant. One birth come out average 2 babies. Baby goats are called kid, little kid. Mother goats are called goat. D-O-E, goat. Mother goats are called buck. B-U-C-K, buck. In the storybook, it's always a baby goat and a nanny goat. This is just a common word. Okay? Actual one is kid, goat, buck. The bag that stores the milk is called udder. U-D-D-E-R, udder. Okay? A goat only has 2 nipples. 1, 2. A cow has 4. One goat average produce 4 liters of milk one day. One cow average produce 20 liters a day. Because she's very good. My goat is smaller.